Hey guys, SnowStorm2016 back here. SnowStorm2016. It's January 22nd, and we are just about ready to have the snowstorm begin here. I saw a couple flakes coming down. So right now it's snowing in other areas. It should be here any time now. So we're going to do a bunch of video clips put together. That way we can see how much snow is coming down here. So I'll be coming out again, doing little clips here and there, and we'll see how it goes. So, alright, SnowStorm2016, Maryland SnowStorm2016, SnowStorm2016. Okay, it's been about an hour since it started. Alright guys, about an hour and a half later. It's dark. And yeah, we already got, I'd say, probably an inch and a half.
Is on?
Yeah.
Get me on cam! I'm getting on YouTube.
Alright, I don't know what time it is. I should have looked. But anyway, I just did a straight down the driveway here.
And I'm thinking of calling it Kitty Kim's Channel. Get it?
Yeah, here's Jay.
Ready?
So we only got like maybe 3 inches right now, maybe 2-3 inches.
Daddy.
So we'll see what it does later. Alright guys, go.
Daddy, look. You ready?
Do it.
Watch out for a tree. I can go. Oh geez, right towards the tree. It's not too windy.
My turn.
And you just leave them out there.
Get out of my book! Dad, here's how I
Alright, go. Go.
There you go. It's only go towards the tree.
Okay, well now we're fast forward to the next morning, Saturday morning. The snow is really coming down. I mean, if you look at the door here, that's about 12 inches right there.
Yeah, it is.
And actually, we have a step up. Yeah, it's really coming down.
Look at them birds.
Yeah, the birds are doing good. I'm glad I did that. That way they have something to eat. They actually look like they're fighting over the over the food. Let's see here. Yeah, good thing I put it out there because I knew they was going to be hungry.
Of course, Daddy.
All right, well let me get some different angles.
Me too.
Set. And he's eating snow. Free.
Yeah.
All right, get out there. Go. Gotta go potty. Go. Get out there. Get out there. Go. Get out there. Go get him.
Go potty.
Go. Please, go get it.
I bet if I took a chewy and threw it out in the yard, he'd go get it. Oh, he's like, what's that? Go get it, buddy. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. He's good. Look at that turtle. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna shovel a path here and then I'll come back to recording.
Blaze is having so much fun.
Alright guys, I was just on the deck, so now it's time to open up the garage and see what we got. Alright, here we go. Oh! Check this out. Yep. Right on. So I would say we definitely got a foot, at least more than that. I'd say maybe, I'm going to say 15-16 inches, and then of course you got snowdrift, so. Okay. Got to start this sucker up. Let's see how many poles we got. Ooh.
JD out there, snow blowing. There's Kim trying to get through it.
All right, get down there. Go down. Go get him, Blake. Go get him. Go get him. Get down there. He's like, I don't know. All right, let's get a close-up of this trampoline here. I don't know how much weight that thing can hold, but... So guys, we're back Sunday. Officially the blizzard is over. We're now outside doing cleanup. Kids are out here digging holes and doing weird stuff. What are you doing?
Flattening out my area, making it smooth. Feel the
Snowblower in action here. How tall it is. That goes over the snowblower. Yep. There you go, do it. Alright, let's take a walk. So my driveway, it's a lot of snow. That's 2 feet of snow at least. This is crazy. Yeah, I still got to do some of this side here of this driveway. Yeah, crazy. That is, there is a wall of snow in front of my, holy moly. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Blizzard, Maryland Blizzard 2016, January 24th. We got a lot of cleanup here. I mean, look at this. This is up to, I mean, that's up there. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. It's gonna be a lot of work to do today. Get all this stuff cleared out. Yeah, I'd say we got some snow. Just about the same, I would say, like in the blizzard, Maryland SnowStorm 2010 video I have out. Alrighty. That's what we got. Maybe a couple inches. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Silver Pup out.